If you want to cancel your Etsy free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly and avoid any unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. This is where you can manage your current subscriptions, including any free trials. Step 4. Find your free trial. Within the Subscriptions section, locate the free trial you want to cancel. There should be an option to view details or manage the subscription. Step 5. Cancel the free trial. Click on the option to cancel the free trial. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for a confirmation message to ensure the process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Etsy free trial and avoid any future charges. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy's customer support for assistance.